Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com, presenting an excellent investment prospect and a revenue generating asset. This property is strategically positioned at the intersection of Road Number 1 and Road Number 25 in Northern Estates, widely recognized as Lilliput in the parish of St. James. Prominently situated 3 houses up on Road Number 25 in front of the renowned Iberostar Hotel. This three-story architectural gem rests on 5,527 square feet of land, boasting 7 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. The property features a two-door garage, supplemented by extra parking space, as well as inviting front porches, verandahs, spacious living area, nicely laid out kitchen, and a roof garden. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 80 million or US $519,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.